How to make money online, 5 effective ways to generate income from home in 2 minutes. Are you looking for ways to earn money from the comfort of your home? In this video, we will show you 5 effective ways to generate income online. Are you looking for ways to earn money from the comfort of your home? In this video, we will show you 5 effective ways to generate income online. Another option is to answer paid surveys. Many companies need feedback on their products and services, and are willing to pay for it. If you have graphic design, programming, or writing skills, you can earn money freelancing on sites like Upwork or Fiverr. You can also make money through affiliate marketing. You simply promote other people's products on your site and earn a commission for each sale you make. Finally, consider leveraging your social media. If you have a large following on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, you can earn money through sponsorships and advertising. In summary, there are many ways to make money online. Whether you have specialized skills, an online business, or just a great social media presence, there are plenty of opportunities to generate income. Do you want to learn more? Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money online.